Hi, Paul.
Hey there.
I can make this a YouTube video.
Mom, gonna be famous.
Look, it's my face. Woo! That's Paul's signature move.
Huh? You talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Who else would I be talking to?
I don't know. The walls. Hi, wall.
Oh, hey, Wall. Hey.
Hi, wall.
Is your wall green?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Twinsies. Wow.
Hi, Mom. Ow!
Just like to shout out to my mom. Yeah.
Your mom hates us both.
Hey, Mom. Still hate you. Yeah.
So I'm on Skype with my best friend Paul, who I've known for like a month now, and I feel like I've known him ever since I was born, and we're like really good friends. See, make a heart, Paul.
I can't.
Make a half of a heart, Paul. Paul! I'm gonna go cry.
Mom.
Paul doesn't love me. Paul has rejected my
Mom
love.
doesn't love me.
Ouch. Can I zoom in on your face? Yeah. Zoom in. Oh, that's creepy. Stop it. Say bye, Paul.
Bye.